How does Yiddish fit into your broader Jewish identity?
It's kind of, I always feel that it's kind of the glue. Um, it's the German Jews that I know are not particularly into Yiddish, but the people that come from the Russian and Polish and other countries, um, they really are. And I feel like this is our connection. And actually, it was the connection of the immigrants who came to Washington, because some of them were Polish and some of them were Russian and, maybe a few Hungarians or, whatever. And they could study together, they could organize, they could help each other. My grandfather was working on a house one time and he found a man that had been sleeping in the house who came to Washington. He was a Jewish man, he had no money, and he came to try to see if he could get a job and bring his family. And they could converse because they both spoke Yiddish. And my grandfather took him home and he lived in his house for a while until he got on his feet and then moved out. Well, I mean, this is a real connection